I am back with another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista. We gon' show. Alright y'all, so I'm assuming that you clicked on this video for one reason and one reason only, and I would have clicked on it too. I got the iPhone 12, baby. The iPhone, it's upside down, hold on. The iPhone 12, yes. Now this is an upgrade for me because I currently actually have the iPhone XR. So going from one camera to two, I wanted the Pro, but I'm like, I don't really think I need it. So why not go ahead, turn the camera on, and go ahead and unbox this thing with you guys, okay? Especially because I am feeling some type of way, I'm not gonna lie, with the whole no cube. Not cool, Apple, not cool, but you know what? If you wanna save the planet, I'm with you on that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this phone. So who you know nails match their phone, their new phone? Who you know? Who y'all know? Okay, me. Okay, exactly. So we're gonna go ahead and open Sesame. Really easy. Bam, there you go. Here is the box without the shiny. This is the 6.1 screen. This is just a plain iPhone 12. This is not the Pro. I was trying to do some research. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a royal blue. It really matches my nails. Okay. The box is so thin because obviously, as I said, the cube is not in the box. So let's take this out. I'm nervous. Let's see. All my fingerprints are already on the back. And we're gonna go ahead. This is how it came. The square is really back, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Ooh, look at that. How pretty. Ooh, yeah. I kind of wish I had a different color because I'm like, I feel like everyone is going to get the blue. But I mean, my nails, I don't think anyone else is going to have a video with their nails matching their phone. I'm just saying. But this is really pretty. It's actually, let's match it to my iPhone XR. Wait, why does it look? It's like the iPhone XR is a bit bigger. I guess because of the round edges. This is weird. It's really flat. It's cute. It's cute. So I actually ordered my screen protector. I did not get it yet, so I'm really scared, but we're gonna go ahead and turn this on together. There we go. There we go. So while that's opening, then I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So the little packet with the little mini information and the Apple sticker and all that good stuff. And then we have the actual cord for the charger, I guess. Not the charger. Yeah, I don't know. But it has a different USB end. It's not like the normal USB end. It's smaller. And I'm like the worst person for tech stuff. But this is the actual end to the bolt part, which is here. So yeah, with nothing else in there. It's empty, y'all. It's empty. Nothing else. Okay. No, nope, it's not there. So hello. So I'm gonna go ahead now. Right now, my actual XR, I did go ahead and customize it. I think I do have a video here on my channel that you can go ahead and see. but I did go ahead and customize, and I am dreading the fact that I have to customize this one. So let's see. This is my main, I wanted to see if it would do the same on this phone, which it probably wouldn't. So, but we'll see. So hola, English, United States. What does it say? Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options. Oh, so then it came up on my XR to set up my new iPhone. How cool. Okay, so your new phone up to the camera is what it's saying. Oh, and it scanned this dust thing. Ooh. Enter passcode of your other iPhone. Guys, look, it's really doing it. This is dope. This is easy, is definitely awesome, especially now these days. So I literally just had to scan this blue stardust looking thing on the new phone on this camera, and right now it's doing its thing. It may take up. It's asking me for my Face ID. I'll do it later because we're gonna get to this. Transfer your data. It's still saying finish. What does it say? Finish on new iPhone on here. Keep this iPhone near to your new iPhone while your information is being transferred, is what it says. And then on the new phone, it says transfer your data. You can directly transfer your data during setup or finish downloading it later. Transfer from iPhone. Then it gives you two options. Either transfer from iPhone, which is the top, or it says download from iCloud, as you can see there. So focus, thank you. We're gonna go ahead and download from iCloud. Setting up Apple ID, even though I never remember my password. Terms and conditions, the normal, all the Apple lovers, you guys already know. Do you ever really read this? Comment down below, because I don't. I have no idea what it says. So I usually send it by email, which I never read either, but it just makes me feel better. So I'm gonna send by email. Oh my gosh, now it's asking me for the email, so we're not gonna send by email. We're just gonna go ahead and agree, because I am an Apple user forever. While my XR is still saying finish on new iPhone. Blue and red, blue and red, blue and red, blue and red. And your data. And then it gives us the option there. So let's see. It says Relly was backed up October 23rd. Would you like to back up now so you can restore your new iPhone and most recent apps and settings? Yes. Update backup before restoring. I don't know. Should I update or restore from October 23rd backup? What's today? What's today?
October 23rd.
Oh, it's from today. So I could just basically restore from October 23rd. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. So right now it is restoring from my iCloud. I just got a phone call on this phone. So let's see. So it says time estimating. So it jumped from 1 minute to 6 minutes, y'all. I don't know what that's about. And now I think it went black. Now it says hello again. Hello. My passcode is there. Oh, it's just locked. All right, y'all. So it's still going ahead and updating. That's what it's doing now.
Oh. No way, bro. No way, bro.
Y'all. All right, y'all, so my phone is finally done transferring over. It's a good sign that it still has the same wallpaper. However, let's see if it's going to look the same as my XR. Let's see, y'all. So this is my XR, which I showed you guys before. This is it, okay? Scroll to the next screen. This is it. You see the widgets here. You see the widget there. You see the widget. You see the widget. Now, let's see. It did transfer over with my shortcuts apps. See that? However, the widgets did not. So, I'm gonna have to go ahead and just re-download. So let's see if I can. So we're gonna go here. Let's hold that down. Let's go to edit home screen. Let's go there. No. Oh, wait a minute. So let's go back here, scroll all the way down, customize. Oh, I have to do this all over again, y'all. Oh no. So that's the only thing. Then I have all these that needs to be downloaded. But for the most part, I'm not mad at it. I'll have to just go in and basically re-download widget. So let's see. Let's get it from Widgetsmith. Oh, it's not down. Okay, so maybe Widgetsmith is not downloaded yet. As you can see, when I search for it here, and you see that it's blurred out. So that's probably why it hasn't updated to my phone. So we're gonna wait, because all these apps are waiting to be, all the ones that's blurred out are waiting to be updated. So, to transfer over, should I say. So we shall see if that's going to change. It did it! Oh, it did it, y'all. Look at this. So it literally loaded. Look at that. Oh, iPhone is the best right now, y'all. Look at that. All my widgets are back. Just like some apps are still downloading. My app library. And then you can tell by the apps that are still, as you can see, the one over here in the corner. You could tell that it's downloading there. But for the most part, it did everything it needed to do. Thank you, Lord, because I was really scared for this. But yeah, so if you want to check out how I basically got this screen, go ahead. This theme of my phone, just go ahead and check out my videos here on my channel. But that's really good. I'm really happy that all my customizations on my XR transferred over easily to my iPhone 12, y'all. Thank you, Apple. Thank you, Apple. You actually made up for not giving me a cube. I forgive you. I forgive you, because I really was stressing, like, I have to do this all over again. So, oh my God, before I go, let's test out the camera. I want to show you guys. This is you guys. The camera is looking good. Very clear. I don't really see a difference right now. I'm going to go ahead and screen record on the XR and compare the two. But this is from the 12. I'm not sure if there's any difference yet. And I did not go into settings and change anything either. But it kind of does what my camera does as well. And now I'm going to go into my XR. Let's screen record this. And we're going to go into the camera as well. Camera. And let's see. Let's go to video. Let me clean the back. And here it is. It's just as clean. Just as clean. But the XR is a very good phone as well, so I'm not too surprised. But yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below if you have any questions for me. But I am truly happy with my new phone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.